Hey guys, Ralph's Automotive. Welcome back to the channel. Got a real quick one for you today. This is a 2003 Mercury Grand Marquis. A little bit dirty in the engine compartment. Other than that, the car is really flawless and in mint condition. The customer complaint on it this morning when they got in it, it was still kind of semi-dark outside. The lights come on like they always do, but then they went off for just a little bit and came back on. But first, let's have a look here at the odometer. 49,826. Those are actual miles. Okay, guys, I'm gonna butt in here and end the video. Somewhat end the video. I will show you what the lights do there toward the end. But basically, I went into the office, fired up all data, get me some wiring diagrams, and tried to figure out the problem. And honestly, I remembered there is a recall on these, and I had to look it up. And sure enough, that was the recall campaign that's on the screen. So I actually notified the customer, and I told them about the recall on there, and he said, "Oh, we had a letter. We gotten a letter, but we forgotten all about it." I said, "Well, that's going to be your free fix for you. There's no need in me charging you to do it. If Ford Motor Company will take care of it, you know." And he thanked me and asked me how much he owed me, and I told him, I said, "Well, there's going to be no charge on that." So again, he really appreciative that I didn't charge him for it, but goes to show a little bit of research sometimes can save a lot of money, because the modules ain't exactly cheap. So in the next couple of minutes, I just want to show you what it does when it doesn't work. Here I'm turning on the switch, and finally it acts up to where the lights do not come on when the switch is on the on position. And really all it takes is to tap it with anything, or kick it with your feet, and you will see the light will come right back on. But now that's not, of course, you can't leave it like that, because eventually they'll go out altogether, and then you're going to be sitting in the dark. Well, hopefully not in the dark, but odds are when you notice the lights, when you need lights, you're going to be in the dark. So it's not really a good thing to not fix it. So I would certainly get that fixed and get it taken care of. But anyway, there you go. I'm taking the screwdriver, I'm tapping it a little bit, and note on the toolbox there, I should be tapping it there. I tapped it with a screwdriver there, the lights came back on. It's done. We're done here. There is no more diagnostics, no more testing or anything. It's the LCM. Long story short, they're going to have to get that fixed. So that's what I'm doing. I just tapped it a little bit with the screwdriver handle. Okay, there again, bam, done. We're done here. If you liked the video or the information therein, as always, like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.